And CrypTito here again, back with another video. And today, pag-usapan natin TA daw or quick TA lang kay Bitcoin and Ethereum. By the way, if hindi ka pa subscribe dito sa channel ko, make sure to subscribe na and click the bell notifications icon para updated ka sa mga future updates ko. By the way, if I'm not that audible, it's because of medyo may sipon ako ngayon. Okay? Kaya may inhaler ako. And then, kakagaling ko sa pagkapaos. So, please bear with me. Also, currently, I'm trading sa Bybit platform. So, if wala ka pang Bybit, yung sign-up link is na andyan sa description box. So, click mo lang yan. All you need is email or phone number and then create your password. That's it. Ito, update daw sa Bitcoin. Sige. Pero actually, it's still the same naman. Bearish pa rin si Bitcoin as you can see. Yan. So, extra bearishness pa tayo dito. Dahil dito sa dead cross na to. Right? And then, as you can see, now-hold tayo nitong all-time high dati. Okay? So, looking at volume profile, ganun din. Okay? Pero nabutas niya yung volume profile. Now, next target natin will be here, around 15,000 to 13,000. Okay? But again, for me, worst case scenario is around 8K. Monthly time frame still the same. Also, one more thing, another bearishness. Okay, right, kita nyo tong volume na to. Kumpara mo sa previous months, per candle is 1 month, right? So as you can see, this is the highest bullish candle since, I don't know, September 2017, right? Pero tingnan nyo yung candle kung gaano lang yan kaliit. Alam mo sabihin nun, kahit sobrang daming buyers, talo pa rin siya ng sellers. Okay? So, and then again, look at the bearish candle after it. Now, looking at Ethereum. Okay? This is my chart, Ethereum. It's forming this rising wedge pattern. Again, this is a bearish pattern. I'm looking at 1 week time frame, by the way. So, possible ma-hold siya dito. If not, next niya is around this line. Okay, bakit dito? Ano to? ETH, di ba? ETH? I know, 800. Charot lang. Pero yeah, around there, because of this here, pwede siya masalo dito. If not, then looking at the volume profile around here. Okay? And then possible, POC here, 100 something plus. Okay, that's the worst case scenario, I guess. Currently kasi I don't see any positive mover for Bitcoin to go up, especially looking at the macroeconomic status natin globally. So yeah, ingat-ingat tayo mga pangkin. Again, this is not financial advice. Trade at your own risk, do your own research, and talk to you soon.